I've been with Synergy for about 10 years. I use all of their products.
So what's the difference you've seen from the last chemical concentrate you've been using?
Lower ratios.
Seen a lot lower ratios. So you guys saving money on chemical, or?
Yes.
Oh yeah.
I'd say it's cover cost per car in about half, if not about 45%. We're seeing that with our other car washes as well that we supply with.
Right away, the chemical doesn't sit there and burn your hands. You don't have to wear gloves changing things over. Also, our equipment is lasting so much longer. Tips don't clog up. You know, everything is just running absolute killer with this product.
As a distributor, it's great because they deliver to me. It's on a regular basis, family-run organization, so everyone you deal with, make a phone call, you get in touch with somebody right away.
Us being family-owned and family-operated, it was really nice to be linked up with a company that also is. I have the owner's number whenever it's time to order. That's not necessarily the process, but it's nice to know. I can text Steven if we're low. Hey man, really sorry, I didn't plan ahead. Can I get this? They'll shoot it to me.
The products work. They speak for themselves. Bring them in, give them a shot. You'll be extremely happy with what you get. The service is fantastic and the products just work.